Measurement. Comparing length. The length of an object tells us how long the object is. For example, in this picture, there is a pencil and a pen. Can you tell me which one is longer? Yes, the pencil is longer. In the second picture, we have a badminton and a table tennis racket. Which one is the longer? Yes, badminton racket is the longer. In this third picture, we have two colored candles. One is pink color candle and the other one is blue colored candle. Can you all tell me which candle is longer? Yes, pink candle is the longer candle. Measuring length. Now we are going to see how we can measure the length. We can measure the length of an object by various methods, and the units which are used to measure them are known as non-standard units, such as handspan, foot, ruler, paperclip. These are the units or methods which are used to measure the length of any object. Now children, I am going to measure the length of our maths book with my hand, which tells us the measurement of length of this book by hand span. 1.5. That means the measurement of this book is 1.5 hand span. Okay, so in this way you can measure the length of book or any other object from your hand. If you all will measure the book with your hand, you will get the different measurement. Okay, now children, I am going to measure this table with my hand. Let's see what measure will we get. 1, 2, 3. So the length of this table is equal to the 3 hand span. In this way you can do the measurement of other objects. Look, Rita is measuring the length of her room from her foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So the length of the classroom is 20 feet. In the same way children, you all can also measure the length of your room with your feet. Hand span and foot are the non-standard, non-uniform units, which means that the measurement of book and table taken from my hand is different from your hand measurement, because the size of your hand and foot are smaller than the size of my hand and foot. Now children, I am going to measure maths book with a paper clip. Let's see how many paper clips we get on measurement of this book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have got 10 paper clips measured for this book. That means the measurement, the length of this book is equal to 10 paper clips. Now I am going to measure this pencil with paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the length of the pencil is equals to 7 paper clips. Ruler and paper clip are the non-standard uniform units, which means that anyone who will measure the object with ruler and paper clip will get the same measurement. There will be no difference between their measurements.